Siegfried has a wonderful mentorship culture. I love that not everybody is getting mentored from just one person. There's cross-department mentorship going on, cross-office mentorship going on, and it's giving people the opportunity to see engineering disciplines from different perspectives and the way that different engineers think and process and how people interact with clients. There's just a wide variety of mentorship going on. And I believe that it really leads to very well-rounded, diverse engineers.
I think mentorship is critical in any individual's career path. Simply because, as a young engineer, what else is out? You're wondering, what else is out there? What else can I be? Do I want to do a technical track, or do I want to do a management track? And having that mentor to, ask questions for kind of provides a little spotlight.
Mentorship is one of the main reasons I've enjoyed my career so much so far here at Siegfried. It's interesting because here you latch on to someone who you get along with, someone who does the work that you want to do. And the neat thing about Siegfried is there's so many of these people around here. I think at Siegfried you get kind of the next step above that, where they kind of push you to figure out what you like to do. And then the really neat thing is that helps tailor Siegfried's projects to its employees, which again is something I think is uncommon, and it's a real big factor why we retain employees here at Siegfried, I think.
I think it's really valuable to groom and grow the future generations of leadership in the company and all the skills that it takes to become a leader.
I would say just if you put in the time and the effort and you're willing to learn, you're always kind of listening and being observant, you'll have every opportunity for career growth here. There's a lot of smart people, so you can always learn stuff. Staying motivated, it's really cool once you start kind of designing projects. It's really cool to be able to see them when they're actually getting built and to be able to see the final product.
To me, mentorship is important for a few different reasons. One, we want to make sure that we're teaching our employees to grow within the company, do what they can to achieve their goals throughout Siegfried. But it also tells our staff that we care about them and that they are the reason we can do what we do.
If I were to give advice to someone brand new in any facet of what we do, any department of what we do that's brand new to Siegfried, that may or may not have been in this industry before, I would try to impress upon them the kind of the DNA of Siegfried, that people here work hard. They enjoy, and I don't mean long hours. That's not what I mean by work hard. They really work hard at doing the best they can with whatever their role is with the company, whether it's part of our marketing group, part of our business development group, part of our technical production, our IT, whatever it is. They always want to try to do the best job that they can. And when you do that, not just at Siegfried necessarily, I think it's really any company, you have the opportunity to create your own future. You can grow in so many different directions. You can learn things that you never even intended to learn when you started your job. I started at Siegfried to be an engineer. I didn't know I was going to learn to be a business person and a marketing person and a business development person and an IT person occasionally, and a plumber when something happens in the restroom. You never know what door is going to open for you. So my recommendation would be to work hard, don't be afraid to ask questions, and don't be afraid to say I don't know something.